So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White water heater. We got the URG 250T6N right here. That's your model number, serial number. You can go to bradfordwhite.com right here, fill out the documentation, full name, street address, whatnot, give them the model number, serial number to get your warranty going on this product.
Okay.
Up top, what we have is we got two shutoff valves on number one. We got hot and cold waters. For some reason, during rough construction of the home, they put the cold water over on the left and the hot water on the right. No big deal. It doesn't bother me one bit. So we give you two shutoff valves. It's required on the cold side, which is over here. Quarter turn on, quarter turn off. Those are Watts 3/4 inch full port quarter turn ball valves. Say that 5 times fast. And then of course over here, hot water. And again, so you can isolate the whole thing, shut the whole thing down, work on this water heater. A little bit of brass construction going on here. Because of the crossover, we only have 12 and 18 inch supply lines, which are standard, as opposed to 24s or 30s. So little brass 90, brass nipple, and then a Falcon stainless steel connector. Over here, just a couple of stainless steel connectors, an 18 and a 12 put together, brass nipple in between. All of these products flow excellent. The copper, the brass, stainless steel, excellent product. No galvanized steel in this installation. Down here, just a couple of extensions. There is a heat trap on the hot and the cold sides, a little plastic insert that goes on there. Somewhat of a conflict between the gasket here, so what we like to do is just shim it up, file it down, and connect it so we don't get any leaking here or at the tank. So, and again, pure brass. Brand new vent up to ceiling bucket, one adjustable 90 here. Relief line comes with the water heater. CPVC piping with a union within 12 inches as per code, down to existing copper line, so that's tied in. Up top, as per code, is the adjustable strap. We've got upper third adjustable strap. We got the lower third adjustable strap. Over here, brand new gas shutoff valve, brand new corrugated supply line over to the control valve. And then the homeowner requested a pan. So we got one in there. We didn't pipe it for them. They're going to go ahead and take it from here. We got the adapting to 1 3/4 bushing, and then some 3/4 fittings out the sidewall, and then you can silicone your sidewall when you're done. There was a little bit of damage to the top of the platform, so what we did is we took off the existing sheetrock first, gave you some hardy backer board here, and so now you're free to come back at your leisure, demo back this material here on these sides, get some new drywall in there. If you want to put corner bead back on, you can go back around or go to the right angle, doesn't matter. But the main thing is you're not trapped because we got your surfaces in already. That's hardy backer board, same thing we use for showers. So everything here looks good. We're lighting water heater right now. Outside of that, this installation is done.